Hello, my name is Brad, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This video will contain information on how to build your website and get ranked in the #1 spots in Google Map It, as well as the organic search area. As you see, I have your information up here, your website. Um, Looks like you have contact information. That's great. A nice picture of your associates. You have testimonials, contact imagery, services, about, and home, which are all good things. And then you also have it right here. So it looks like you've been in business since 2018. So that's about 5 years, 6 years now. You have some videos to play, it looks like. Awesome. Some of your action photos. So you have some really good things going on here. The first thing I'd like to talk to you about is word count. So I'm just going to copy and paste your URL from your web page into this tool called word count. And what it's going to do is going to tell me how many words you have on your web page. Okay. So as soon as it pops up here, we'll get that information. I'm going to start talking about keywords while we're waiting for this. Keywords are very important on your web page. So in your business, power washing, window cleaning, um, whatever it is that you guys do, power washing, different things like that, those are all keywords that are on your website and helps you be found. So there must be something going on with your URL because I see it came up as an error. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to your competition and I'm going to do the same thing. Copy and paste. This word count is a free tool, as you can see right here, free. All I did is went into Google search and put in free word counter, and it brings up this website for me. So this is something you guys can also do. So you can see your competition out there has 979 words on their web page. And this is your competition out there. They do a lot of the same things you guys do: power washing, window cleaning, gutters. Um, so again, they do a lot of things that you guys do as well. Um, so how did I find them? By using what I was talking about before, key words: window cleaning, power washing. Those are all key words in your industry, and that's what brings up this information down here. So you can see right now you guys are ranked in the 3rd spot in Map It area, which isn't too bad, but you could easily be ranked right up here where your competitor is. This is the second place that people click on when they're looking for something. So another keyword, just to give you an idea. So if I type in pizza in Chicago, it's going to bring up all my pizza places down here. However, there's another spot down here that's referred to as the organic search area. And according to Google, this is the first place that people are going to click on when they're looking for whatever it is may be. And in your industry, it would be window washing, gutter cleaning, things along that line. So I'm going to search down through here just to see who is here. It looks like Bubbles, which is the second person, is ranked first. I'm going to just keep scrolling down here. Then here's the #1 spot and Map It. So Bubbles must have a lot better keywords, and that's putting them in the first spot up here. Okay. So if we work on keywords and the amount of words on your web page, um, that'll get you guys ranked up in this area as well. And again, I'm not seeing you guys any place here. So that's some of the information that you can use. Add more keywords to get ranked right here. And backlinks will help you get ranked up in this area. So again, I didn't see you guys down here at all, so you must need a few more keywords. I'm going to check one more time. Yeah, I'm not seeing you guys there. So work on your keywords. And next I'm going to talk about is um, backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable hyperlink text. I know that sounds pretty um, technical, but what Google says about it, these links act like an endorsement for your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So again, it's kind of like a popularity contest. Whoever talks about these guys the most on the website is going to get ranked here. So I'm going to come back over to a tool I use called Ahrefs. So it looks like you guys have 14 organic words that's bringing you a traffic value of $4. So again, if you work on your organic words, that's going to get you ranked again up in this area that I was referring to a little while ago, the Mappets and the um, organic keyword search area and the organic tools down below. So right now it's only bringing you guys in $4. So that's one thing you guys can work on is your organic words. And you only have 4 backlinks right now as well. I'm going to come over here to your competition. Again, Crystal, you can see I have them in here. They have 309 backlinks referring back to them, but these are the ones that are actually referring, only 49. But you can see they have 164 keywords, and you can see that that's bringing them $3.5 thousand a month just from their website. So if you guys work on your organic words and your backlinks, you guys could easily get ranked in the number one spot here. And more importantly, down here, which is going to definitely bring you guys in a lot more income for your business. I'm going to leave you with that. I'm going to send this video to you by email. You can reply to that email to contact me, or you can call me at 608 574 2784. Remember, this information is free for you guys to use on your own web page. Um, or if you want more help, feel free to call me. I thank you for your time and have a great day.